Hi everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am posting this video after so long. I don't know, but I am not able to make videos. This year is not a very good year YouTube wise. Otherwise everything is going fine. Yeah, so I'm just here to unbox my Euphorbia box of the month of February. Oh my god, it's already February. I can't believe time is running like anything. Anyways, so I'm just gonna open this up and see what products I got this time. And yeah, let's just open it. Alright, so here is the Euphorbia box or Euphorbia bag for the month of February. It's red in color and it is a very shiny pouch, and the size of the pouch is also very nice, and because you can see like it's quite big as compared to other pouches I get normally. So I really like the pouch. It's more like a makeup bag, small little travel makeup bag, because yeah, it has like a zip over here. It opens like this, so it's a really nice travel case. So yeah, so let's just find out what products I got this time. And it also have like a handle here, so definitely a small little makeup bag or toiletry bag, whatever you want to say. So I'm just gonna open it and see what I have in this time's Euphorbia box. So I have all the product details here with their prices, and now let's just see. Alright, so the very first thing I can see is a pair of earrings, and these are oxidized earring with some red tassels going on, and this is how they look like. Really pretty, very boho. These pair of tassel earrings retails for about 199 Indian rupees. So this is how they're looking on me. Really pretty, love them. Alright, moving on to more products. Alright, I see a Kajal, and this is by Davis, and it says 12 hours waterproof, a perfect eye defining. This is a Kajal and it has 12 hours staying power as they are mentioning, and this one retails for about 125 Indian rupees. Then I see this is a face mask. This is by AM Green's 100% natural chocolate face mask. It has edible cocoa and pampering facial formula. It's made with pure cocoa that will improve skin texture and also naturally make skin radiant. So definitely I'm gonna try. I really loved their hair mask, M Green's hair mask, so definitely looking forward to try this out. And this one retails for about 599 rupees, and the amount of product I'm getting here is 100 grams of product. Alright, so last two products, and these both of the products are lipsticks. Alright, and I'm crazy about lip products and lipsticks, so I'm just gonna check them out. Alright, so these are the two lipsticks, and both are by 7Cs, and I have already tried 7Cs lipstick and they're quite good. And these are matte lipstick, and I'm having high hopes with them. So I have two colors. One is 206 and the other one I really can't see any sticker or any thing mentioned over here, so I'm just gonna check on the info card, and it says one is 206 and the other one is 210 shade number, and both retails for rupees 299 each. So that means 300 each. So I'm just gonna check the shades first. I'm gonna swatch the 206 one. So this is how the shade looks like. It's like a brick red color, and it's a swatch. Yeah, so that's 206. Now I'm just gonna check the shade 210. It's a more dark color than that. Oh my god, it looks really pretty. It's a very dark color. So I'm just gonna swatch it. So this is how the other color looks like. It's very deep maroon color. Camera is not justifying the color. It's a very like a berry color, I would say, but in camera I think it's looking more of like a reddish maroon color, but in actual it looks really dark berry color. So yeah, so these are the two lipsticks. So, and they also have mentioned the price of the makeup bag as well, and this makeup bag retails for about 250 rupees. So in total I got 6 products this time, including the bag, and I think I liked almost each and everything this time. And this subscription service is like so affordable. So yeah, if you're interested to subscribe this Euphorbia box, I will be leaving all the details in the description box. Go and check it out and subscribe it for yourself. Yeah, so that's it for the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy, bye bye. And if you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to hit subscribe. Yeah, bye.